Hi there, it's Joe here from Marker.io, and we're delighted to announce that we now integrate natively with Notion. This means that you can report bugs and feedback directly from your website, and these will sync completely with your Notion database. We're really excited about this integration, and for you to get it working, all you need to do is to complete two things. So the first thing we need to do is add a destination, and that's going to link your website or web app to your Notion database. And the second thing we need to do is simply install the JavaScript widget onto your own website or web app. So let's get right in and take a look at how to do that now. Okay, so first ensure that you have a database set up on your Notion account. So here I have a website feedback reporting database. Okay, and it's nice and empty and ready to go. And then in my Marker.io account, once I log in, I get this opportunity to add a destination. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So we have a lot of different integrations here, but today we're going to focus on the Notion integration. Now notice the Notion integration is still in beta, but it's improving on a daily basis. And then we see our databases here available for us to select. And for me, the website I'm going to report on today is clientyard.com. It's just a demo website I have. I'm going to add that destination. So that's added there nice and quickly. And then the second thing we need to do is copy the snippet code and bring it into anywhere above the closing head tag. So I'll paste it up here. I'm going to save that. For me, I have to clear cache as well, so bear with me. Flush the cache. So then we see on the clientyard.com website, the report a bug widget has been installed, and we may as well report some feedback as we're here. So we can see on the About Us page, the Contact Us button appears to be broken. Let's report that as a bug. We can annotate this nice screenshot, maybe draw a rectangle around it. We can say the contact button is broken. We can add more in here in the description if you like. I'm going to leave it like that for now. The status we can set to do, and we can send that feedback. Okay, the nice thing about it is when the reporter sends feedback, they'll actually get an email as well. And the email here just to say, hey, we've received your feedback, so that's nice. And then we'll see that this is all synced to Notion. If we go back into Notion here, okay, it's after coming in here into the to-do list, we can click into it. We can open as a page. We can see, the header contact button is broken. We can see this lovely big screenshot. So, there's no question about what the issue is. We get the description, of course. We get the person who reported it. We get the source URL, which is very useful. And then we get this information that, sometimes can be slow forthcoming, but it's nice to get it all nice and detailed here. So this is reported on a Chrome browser, on a Mac OS, and that kind of stuff. So that's all very useful. And that's really, I suppose, the simple use case of the system. Maybe you might want to contact that reporter. So again, you can do that within Notion. Click here, contact via Marker.io. You can say something like, thanks for the feedback. And the nice thing about this is that the person who reported this feedback will get an email. And within that email, they can click here to reply. And that opens up this two-way communication system. And they can say, you're welcome. Send that off. And the great thing about this whole communication is, again, it's all synced to your Notion database. And we can see, thanks for the feedback, you're welcome. It's all nicely contained here within the Notion database. So it's all syncing up very well. So, that's kind of the basic nuts and bolts use case for our tool at Marker.io. There's obviously a lot more advanced settings in the background we can take a look at. Feel free to try us out. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can try that out. And you can contact us anytime on this widget at the bottom right of any of our web pages. You can chat with us there and let us know if you have any questions. But in a nutshell, that's all we have to say today. And look, thanks very much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again soon. Okay, take care.